Hello, my name is Jamari Vicencio, and this is my project number 4 on the future investment value. And I don't know if this was on purpose, but from my group page, I was the only one in my group. Maybe that was a mistake, maybe not, but I'm just rolling with it. So the main focus of this project was to calculate the future value of any investment at any given rate for any number of years. But in this case, that amount of years was 30. And the interest rate and investment amount was something that we would prompt the user to enter. And so basically what we're creating is a calculator, just to put it simply. So problems that I would have to face were, where would I start? Well, comparing it to the other projects, I think this is the first project, if I'm remembering correctly, that gave us this much amount of values. Like, we'd have to follow a set rule. So these names over here were given to us. So that's how that would be our starting point. We would start from this method over here. And then we would also have to get those inputs from the user. 2 inputs. The first input would be the initial investment value. And then the second input would be the interest rate. So for the code itself, this first part right here is just asking for the initial investment. And then the second part, or the second prompt, is asking for the interest rate. And so the interest rate that we were supposed to ask was the annual interest rate. But the method that we were supposed to create was asking for a monthly interest rate. So how we get the monthly interest rate from the annual interest rate would be dividing the annual interest rate, or the user input for that, by 1200. And that would solve the problem of getting an integer into a percentage value. And then after that, it would print out a table header, and then below the table header, it would run through a for loop that would continuously print out the number of years and the future investment until it hits the given value of 30. And this, we would use this method, which is just an investment, and it would return investment value. And so the example we were supposed to use was 1009. And as you can see, all the years are there. And it's just, I was able to format this using the printf function, messing around with spacing and stuff. And yeah, that's basically it for the future investment calculator.